In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the font in Coda. Coda is a fantastic all-in-one collaborative workspace that enables you to do so much in terms of organizing your projects, whether you're working solo or with a team. Perhaps you've been using Coda for a while, or maybe you're new to it and want to fine-tune the appearance of your Coda documents to match your style or project needs. Today we'll walk through the steps to change the font, making your workspace both functional and visually appealing. Let's begin by heading over to Coda's website. Once you're on the home page, look for the Get Started button. Clicking this will take you to the login page. You'll notice that Coda offers different sign-in options, but for today, let's proceed by clicking on Google. This option not only streamlines the login process, but also integrates seamlessly with other Google services you might be using. Now select your Google account to sign in. It's essential to ensure you are using the account associated with your Coda workspace to avoid any confusion. You should now be in your workspace. To illustrate how this works, let's say you want to modify the font settings of a simple to-do list. Navigate to your list by clicking on To-Do List. At the top right corner of your document, there are 3 vertical dots, which is a menu for more options. Selecting this will give you access to a drop-down menu. In that drop-down, you'll see an option that says Doc Settings. This is your gateway to changing how your document looks and feels. Once you're in the doc settings, look for the Page options. This area lets you customize various elements of your document's appearance, but today our focus is on typography. Now you've reached the typography section, which is where the magic happens. Here you can customize your document's font style. Coda provides a selection of font families, allowing you to choose one that fits your document's purpose or your personal preference. Simply click on the current font style and a list of available options will appear. Pick one that you like, and instantly, the text across your document will update to reflect the new style. Finally, if the default font size doesn't suit your needs, you can also adjust it here. Small changes can make a big difference in readability and presentation, so feel free to experiment until you find the perfect fit. And there you have it. Changing the font in Coda is a straightforward process that enhances not only the aesthetic appeal of your documents, but also their readability. We hope this guide helps you optimize your workspace to better fit your workflow. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next video.